Alright, I'm going to work on my car, so that's why I have headphones on, so I can, like, you know, jam out while I do it and film on this, which is the whole point of having a GoPro. And then, yeah, it's gonna be fun. I just have to change my light. And my dad told me not to, but I'm doing it anyways. I looked at the video, I think I'm capable, so we're gonna do it. Yeah, got my coffee, we're ready to go.
Now he's thinking about me every night. Oh, is it that sweet? I guess so. Say you can't sleep, baby, I know that's that me espresso. Move it up, down, left, right, oh, switch it up like Nintendo. Say you can't sleep, baby, I know that's that me espresso. I can't relate to desperation. Might give a fucks. Are on vacation. Is it that sweet? I guess so.